Hi students, you always remember that HCF into LCM is always equal to product of two numbers. Did you ever think how it is possible? Did you ever think how it is possible? So first of all, we will take the proof. So we assume that let the two numbers are x and y. So write it, let the two numbers are x and y. Okay, so we assume let two numbers are x and y, and also we assume let HCF of x and y is equal to capital H, and LCM of x and y is equal to capital L. We assume it. Okay. So you remember that x and y, these are two numbers. Their HCF is highest common factor, that is h. So we assume that x, that is the number, that should be equal to n into h, and y will be equal to m into h. H is the HCF number, and what is n and m? So n and m, these are two co-prime numbers. These are two co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are the numbers in which only one is the common. So n and m are different numbers, only one is the common, and h is common in both sides. So their HCF, definitely their HCF will be h. Okay. So what is the LCM? So LCM of x comma y, so we decide that is L. So L is equal to n into m, n into m into h is the common. Here h is all one's time, this is L one's time, so into h. Now multiply h both side. Multiply h both side. What is h? H is the HCF. So it is h into it is L is equal to, it will also become n into m into h into h. Now we can also write it h into L is equal to n into h, can also be written as n into h, and dot m into h. Write it m into h. What is n into h? N into h can be written as capital X, that is the number, and m into h can be written as capital Y, that is also the number. So h into L is equal to x into y. What is h? H is the HCF, into what is L? L is the LCM, is equal to what is x into y? This is the product of the number, product of two number. And so we have proved that always remember that HCF into LCM is always equal to product of the number, and that is the proof. Understand students? Okay, welcome dear. Please subscribe this channel. Welcome.